opens hers first.
You can open yours too, Luke.
The bowling ball.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I feel the cardboard.
I wanted to take over about make that bowling.
No, I feel cardboard around it. You got this at Walmart. Amazon. It's basketball scalding.
I'm waiting for
Yes. So what are we gonna do with this? Can we go somewhere today?
Nope.
So I'm gonna have a brand new basketball and can't even use it.
Unless Corey wants to take it.
Corey, you wanna take me?
I'm making a movie right now. Don't hold me to nothing.
Come on, Corey.
Hey, Mom, open this.
It'll be forever.
So what do you think?
Open.
What do you guys think?
Well, I think I'm very happy.
Good start.
What about you, Shelby? You like that?
Yes.
I
Open.
can't wait. I totally want to go.
Open.
Let me see.
I've been drinking. I can't go out and then.
Oh, but can't we all go?
This is Christmas.